Welcome back to Urban Garden Republic, where we turn your green dreams into lush realities. Today we're delving into the world of blueberries with Blueberry Bonanza, a complete guide to growing luscious blueberries at home. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice, you'll learn everything you need to cultivate these antioxidant-rich superfruits right in your backyard. Blueberries are not only delicious, but also packed with vitamins and antioxidants. They're perfect for gardeners looking to grow their own healthy snacks. Plus, blueberry bushes can add beautiful foliage colors to your garden throughout the year. Today, we'll cover choosing the right varieties, planting, care, and harvesting to help you get the best yield. Choosing the right blueberry variety is crucial for your climate and soil. Northern High Bush, ideal for colder climates with varieties like Patriot and Blue Crop. Southern High Bush, great for warmer regions with varieties like Legacy and Sunshine Blue. Low Bush, best for very cold areas, often growing wild like the Wild Low Bush variety. Each variety has specific chill hour requirements and growth habits, so select the one that best matches your gardening zone. Blueberries thrive in acidic, well-drained soil with a pH between 4.5 and 5.5. Here's how to prepare your site. Testing soil pH. Use a soil test kit to determine your soil's pH. If it's too high, you can lower it by incorporating sulfur or peat moss into the soil. Site selection. Choose a sunny spot with at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. Blueberries also need good air circulation to prevent diseases. Soil preparation. Mix organic material like compost or aged manure into the soil to improve its structure and nutrient content. Ensure the site is well drained. Raised beds can be an excellent option for blueberry bushes. Planting properly can set the stage for a thriving blueberry crop. When to plant? Early spring or late fall is ideal depending on your climate. Planting technique? Dig a hole twice as wide and the same depth as the root ball. Mix some peat moss into the extracted soil and use this mix to backfill the hole. Ensuring the crown of the plant is just above ground level. Spacing. Space bushes about 4 to 6 feet apart to allow for growth and air circulation. Proper care is key to healthy bushes and a bountiful harvest. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. A drip irrigation system is ideal for maintaining even moisture. Mulching. Apply a thick layer of pine bark or sawdust mulch to help maintain soil moisture and suppress weeds. Pruning. Start pruning after the first couple of years to encourage vigorous growth and fruit production. Remove dead or overcrowded branches in late winter or early spring. Blueberries will be ready to harvest in mid to late summer. Berries will turn fully blue, but wait a couple of days after they turn blue for the best flavor. Gently twist the berries. If they're ripe, they'll come off easily. Storage. Fresh blueberries can be stored in the fridge for up to a week or frozen for longer storage. Uses. Enjoy them fresh in smoothies, baked goods, or make homemade blueberry jam. There you have it, your guide to growing blueberries right at home. Thank you for joining Urban Garden Republic for Blueberry Bonanza. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your blueberry success stories. Until next time, happy gardening and enjoy the fruits of your labor.